This information is brought to you by Dan Dueck from Microdyne Computer Services. Okay, let's get right into this. This document from the District Attorney's Office highlights the reality of modern cybercrime. If we look at these figures, we see that $2.9 billion is stolen every year from seniors through online scams. The internet can feel like a dangerous place, and those numbers show your concerns are valid. But staying safe does not require you to become a computer scientist. This is a beginner-friendly guide to digital hygiene, focused on a few simple, practical steps you can take starting today. Protecting yourself online is exactly like locking the deadbolt on your front door at night. You do not need to be a security expert to turn a key, and you do not need to be a technical expert to keep your information private. By adopting just a few basic daily habits, you will automatically block the vast majority of online threats, allowing you to use your devices with total confidence. The first step is to make your computer do the heavy lifting for you. We want to set up your device so it handles its own defense automatically. If you use a Mac, open your system settings. You are looking for two specific features: automatic software updates and the network firewall. By toggling these on, your computer will manage its own security in the background. For Windows users, click the Start menu and search for Windows Update and the Windows Defender Firewall. Ensure both of these are active and displaying green check marks. These two settings provide a vital baseline. The updates automatically patch the hidden security holes that criminals try to exploit, and the firewall acts as a digital bouncer, stopping bad actors from reaching your personal files. Now that the computer is secure, we need to address passwords. Trying to memorize long strings of random letters and numbers is frustrating for everyone, and it only gets more difficult over time. The easiest solution is the passphrase method. Pick 4 completely random words that paint a funny picture in your head, then add a number or symbol at the end. A computer cannot easily guess a phrase like purple elephant dancing Tuesday. And I am going to break a common rule here. It is perfectly acceptable to write your passwords down. The trick is to keep them in a physical, lockable notebook in a desk drawer, rather than on a sticky note attached to your computer screen. While you may have dozens of accounts, your primary email is the most critical to protect. If a stranger gains access to your inbox, they can use the Forgot Password feature on your banking, social media, and healthcare portals to take over those accounts as well. To keep your inbox secure, use two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This provides a second layer of defense. Even if a criminal steals your written password, they are blocked because the service requires a specific code sent as a text directly to your cell phone. Because the scammer does not physically hold your phone in their hands, they cannot get in. Applying two-factor authentication to your email shifts the power away from a remote hacker and puts it squarely back in your physical control. Scammers know that breaking through digital defenses is difficult, so they try to hack your psychology instead. They rely on manufacturing sudden panic to make you act without thinking. This guide shows exactly what a tech support scam looks like. You might see a terrifying pop-up claiming your computer has a virus and demanding you call a 1-800 number. Real companies like Apple and Microsoft will never ask you to call them via a pop-up. The solution to a fake pop-up is physical. Do not click anything on the screen. Instead, locate the physical power button on your computer and hold it down for several seconds until the machine shuts off completely. You should also be wary of phone calls from people pretending to be authority figures or even family members. Using AI voice cloning, a scammer may sound exactly like a grandchild claiming they are in jail and demanding immediate bail money via gift cards or wire transfers. You can defeat all of these tactics with one daily habit. We call it the family rule. No money, password reset, or urgent action happens on the first contact. If someone creates a sense of urgency, take a breath and hang up the phone. Then independently call the company or your relative back on a known official number. By forcing a pause and verifying the request, you neutralize the scammer's only weapon. You have just established a strong security baseline. Your computer is now defending itself with automatic updates. Your email is secured with two-factor authentication, and you are armed with the family rule. These 3 pillars ensure that you are no longer an easy target. You can now use your devices and browse the internet with total confidence. The goal of these videos is to create easy-to-understand explainers that are designed for many of our forgotten when it comes to technology, our elderly and more vulnerable population. If you find this information useful, please share or consider setting up a plan to help a loved one through the explainer here, or of course, the many good resources online. Please consider giving the video a like and follow for more content like this. It helps us to understand the content you want to see, as well as helping our tiny little channel grow. We will soon be doing away with the AI and recording live. As always, thank you so much for watching.